Look at all the spacecraft. It's all mine. It's all mine. Meow. Y'all better strap in. I just bought my first house and it's all because of you. I need to start off with that. You watching this and you buying my art and stuff is the only reason how I could buy this, which is actually insane and it makes me cry. I promised myself I wouldn't get emotional. Suck that tear back up in your face. But this is my house tour. I moved to Colorado. This is gonna be freaking crazy. I am painting the entire thing from floor to ceiling to window. Everything's gonna be painted. It's gonna be crazy. I'm gonna give you a little tour of everything. Here. Oh my God, there's already a ghost in here. This is the front door. This is the living room. So cute! I'm gonna put TV here. Oh my gosh, this house is going to be so crazy. If you guys thought the one in Pennsylvania was insane, just strap in because it's gonna be wild. This is the little dining room. It's snowing on the mountain right there. Look at that, crazy. So now I'm gonna take you out on the deck, which this is my favorite part of the house. The view is actually freaking breathtaking. Every time I go out there, I just start crying because I'm like, this isn't freaking real. I don't think y'all are ready for this. Are we kidding? This is the kitchen. Storage underneath here. These are gonna be painted. This is 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 gonna be painted. Anyway, it's my little kitchen. She's tiny, but she's really cute. This was the first thing that I did. I put snacks in the house. I was like, screw the bed. I need the Cheetos. This is the kitchen. It's really cute. It's got a microwave. And I'm putting these up, so don't test me. I'm gonna have cameras everywhere. Look at this weird space up here. I don't know what I'm gonna put up here. If you have any suggestions, let me know. But there's a lot of these like random little nooks. Maybe some Portuguese, maybe some dinosaurs. I don't know. Backsplash, I'm planning to like paint a bunch of tiles and put the tiles here. All these lights I'm changing out. They're gonna be like chandeliers. They have these window films that like you put on your window and then when the light comes through, it could cast a rainbow everywhere. So there's skylights everywhere. So we're gonna put that. I'm so excited. Okay, where do I start next? It's like the hallway of like the first floor. This is like a bathroom, so come in here. Bathroom, sink. And then this bathroom also connects to my bedroom, which we can come this way. This is the master bedroom. This is where I'm gonna sleep. Another one of those nooks right there. Kind of be sick if there was one of those like a wheeler ladder and then you climb up and there's like a bed up there, like a little chill spot. This closet, pretty nice closet. We got skylight right there. Look at the view from the master bedroom. Are we kidding? Absolutely crazy. This is like, what would this be, a guest room? She's really small, but I think this is gonna be like a craft room. I haven't decided what I wanted it to be yet. There's a little closet. This house is a 3-bedroom and 2-bath. It's like a randomly small house, but also there's like a lot to it. So let's go downstairs and I'll tell you what I'm going to do downstairs. Look how crazy this is, y'all. I love this whole section. This is so sick. These giant windows are like so pretty. I don't know how I'm gonna get up there and paint, but it's gonna be wild. But I love this hallway, I think it's so cool. So this is the second living room. I'm taking this carpet up. So second living room, I'm going to turn it into, hold for, what is it?
Dramatic effect.
Hold for dramatic effect, karaoke room. I said it, I know, it's crazy. This, I'm not really the biggest fan of flames. I think they're really scary and sketchy. This ain't my vibe at all, so I kind of want to rip it out. I want to build a stage right here, and I want to have mic stands, and a TV there that has like the karaoke lyrics on it, and then one for over there. Pull out couch right here. Dude, this is gonna be crazy. I can't believe it. Everything's gonna be painted. Obby. This is my first house. I can't believe how far I came and the journey that you guys have been on with me. So crazy. There's a little hallway. This is just storage. Nothing crazy to see except, should I tell them my plan? All I'm gonna say is if you guys know what Meow Wolf looks like, this is what this is gonna be. I just wanna like open up shit and it's like wild and you're like, I was not expecting that to be in there. Cause who wants a closet? Boring, you know? I have a garage, which is crazy and so cool. I don't have anything to put in the garage because I don't have a car, but we'll figure that out later. This is the rest of the hallway. This is guest room, bathroom. I'm planning to like rip out all of this stuff and just customize everything. I guess I don't even have to tell you that I'm gonna customize everything because everything's gonna be customized. There's this room. This is the third bedroom. My plan with this room, I want to make it a 2000s theme, like kids bedroom. And I want it to be like nostalgic. The bunk beds, I'm gonna have like the SpongeBob TV. I'm gonna have like Justin Bieber posters on the wall. I'm planning to paint on the ceiling of this room like a SpongeBob sky because I want it all to be like nostalgic and everything. I have so much to do. Laundry room / dungeon. Definitely planning to put drywall up. So remember that closet that I showed you? This is gonna be a part of it. I don't know what I'm gonna do yet, but it's gonna be sick. This is only like my 5th time ever in this house. So I keep seeing things and I'm like, oh, that's there, interesting. So that was pretty much my house tour. Today is Friday, December 5th. When this is finished, I have no idea what time it will be. Everyone's always like, how long is it gonna take you? I don't freaking know. It could take a year. It could take 4 years. I'm also planning to paint like the entire outside area. There's nothing that's gonna be white in here except for me. But you guys are gonna watch the entire transformation and it is going to be freaking crazy. I am going to vlog everything, do YouTube videos of everything. The whole entire process is going to be documented. Pretty much the biggest project of my life. But I just wanna say thank you. I'm gonna cry. Because if it wasn't for you, I would not be able to like, this is, it's just, it hasn't like sunk into my brain yet. And I'm so freaking thankful and grateful, all of you guys supporting me. Even if you never bought any of my artwork, like you just watching my videos and liking and commenting is supporting me. Thank you so much, and I can't believe this isn't my project, this is our project. I'm just really excited, and it's gonna take a while. I'm trying not to get stressed out. Thank you so much for watching, and I love you. And go check out my art stuff so that I can make the house crazier. But okay, I love you, bye, thank you.